So chapter 10, chemical bonding 2. So chapter 9 talks about Lewis model. Here we're going to talk about shapes of molecules and two other bonding theories, valence bond theory and molecular orbital theory. So the author introduces his chapter with a section about artificial sweeteners. So the taste of something and how many calories it has are independent of each other. So the caloric content of food depends on the amount of heat that is released when that food is metabolized. So one of the ways sugar is metabolized is given here. You get 5,644 kilojoules of energy released for a mole of sugar. But the taste depends on the shape of the molecule and the charge distribution and how it interacts with your taste buds. So artificial sweeteners taste sweet because they fit into the same receptor pockets that sugars do, but they have much less energy when metabolized, and so you get the sweetness without all the calories. Anybody have any questions about that?